Do you want to learn how to start an online business? There is a lot that goes into starting an online business, and it can be difficult to know where to begin if you are new to the game. Should you begin by providing a product? Trying to figure out who your ideal consumer is? Are you creating a website? There are so many activities to choose from. We've got you covered. Let's have a look at how to start an online business so you can comprehend the step-by-step process of creating a successful online venture. Step number 1. Decide what type of online business you're going to create. There are numerous types of online businesses, and before you begin building one, you need to choose which type of business is best for you. Here are the 5 most prevalent forms of online businesses to consider. E-commerce. E-commerce is the business of selling physical goods over the internet. Building an e-commerce shop can be a wonderful business concept if you have things to sell. Digital products. Physical things aren't the only ones that can be sold online. Digital products such as ebooks, educational courses, and design templates can be an excellent method to generate money online. Affiliate marketing. You don't have any products of your own to sell? No need to be concerned. With affiliate marketing, you may sell other people's products while earning a commission on each sale. Businesses based on social media. If you have a huge social media following, you may be able to develop a social media-based online business. You may monetize your social media following in a variety of ways, including commercial partnerships, subscription groups, and premium content. Once you've decided on the type of business you want to start, it'll be much easier to develop a strategy to bring that business to life. Step number 2. Identify a need in your market and create an online business that satisfies that need. It doesn't matter how brilliant your online business idea is, if it doesn't meet a market need, it won't succeed. There are several approaches to determine whether your business idea addresses a true market demand, including competitor analysis. Take a look at what your competitors are up to. What items or services do they offer to their clients? What requirements do they meet? And how does that relate to the need that your business idea meets? While you should never rip off your competitors, discovering the market needs they are addressing will provide you insights into what your customers are looking for and how your company may meet that need. Market research. Market research can provide insights into what people are talking about in your field, which can then provide insights into which direction to take your business and whether your existing idea will resonate with that market. For example, you may use Quora to see what questions people in your sector are asking, and then reverse engineer how your company can solve those problems. Alternatively, you can analyze customer complaints about your competition and then determine how you can improve and provide a better customer experience with your firm. Customer surveys. What is the greatest way to find out what your customers need? Inquire of them. Customer surveys will provide you with first-hand information on what your customers want, what they need, and how your company can meet their wants and requirements. Once you've gathered all of that information about your clients and what they require, you can use it to clearly identify your customers' pain points, how your service addresses those pain points, and develop an ideal customer avatar or user persona. Knowing who your ideal customer is can help you drive your business strategy and ensure that the online business you're establishing truly resonates to the customers for whom you're building it. Step number 3. Develop your product or service. You can't run a business unless you have something to sell. So, before you begin, make sure you have the time, effort, and resources to create an unrivaled product or service. This step of the process will appear different for every business. If you want to sell your products online, you may need to spend in research and development. If you're starting a digital products business centered on ebooks, it may be necessary to hire a top-tier editor to check through your material and ensure it's up to par before going live. If it's an affiliate marketing business, it could include spending the time to thoroughly research the affiliate opportunities accessible in your niche and ensuring that you're only pushing high-quality products to your audience. The point is that your online business is dependent on your ability to effectively market your product or service. So don't cut corners and make sure that whatever you're selling is something your clients will be excited to buy. Your branding is what will help you stand out, break through the clutter, and get the attention of your ideal customer. So it's critical to put some serious consideration into what kind of brand you're looking to create. Step number 4. Build your brand. To begin the branding process, really dig deep into who you are as a brand. What is your mission and what are your values? What distinguishes you from your competitors? What is the personality of your brand? What do you excel at that no one else does? Once you've determined who you are as a brand, you can use that identification to guide the other aspects of your brand's development: visual brand identity and brand design. To launch a successful online business, you'll need a few crucial brand design aspects, such as logo, color scheme for the brand, website, cards for business, other branding elements as required. Step number 5. Build your website. Your website is perhaps the most major part of your brand identity because you're building an online business. It's where clients will learn about your brand, explore your products and services, and ultimately determine whether you're a brand they want to do business with. So, it's important to get it right. There are a few factors to keep in mind when creating a website for your online business, including: keep your design on brand. Your website is the core of your online business. You want clients to get to know you and your brand, so make sure the design is consistent. Showcase your brand typography, employ your brand color palette in your design, and prominently feature your logo. Do whatever you need to do to thoroughly and consistently brand your website. Make it responsive. Your website will be viewed by just as many people on a mobile device as it will on a computer, so it's important that your design looks just as nice on an iPhone as it does on a MacBook. Make sure your website is entirely responsive when building it for your online business, and test it on both a mobile and a desktop device to ensure the design is on point before going live. Make purchases as simple as possible. Your website's goal is to increase sales for your online business, so it's necessary to provide a positive user experience and make purchasing your products or services as simple as possible. If you have an e-commerce website, for example, organize your product categories so that customers can quickly find what they want, and then streamline the shopping cart process so that they can add the goods, submit their information, and complete the purchase in a few simple steps. Step number 6. Get your logistics in place. There's a lot of logistics that go into running a business, and it's especially important to have a logistical strategy in place before you establish an online business. Again, the actual logistics you'll need to set up will be determined by the nature of your business. However, there are certain logistics to consider. Manufacturing. If you're selling physical products, you'll need a way to make them, and as your business grows and scales, you'll need a way to make them in larger quantities. Shipping. If you're selling physical products, you'll need a way to get them into your consumers' hands, and you'll need a dependable, reasonable shipping option to do so. Packaging. If you want to package your products in branded packaging, you may need to work with a professional printer. Digital platforms. To efficiently manage your online business, you may require a number of digital platforms, for example, a learning platform to host your online course or an e-commerce platform to sell your products. Payment processing. You need an easy, safe, and dependable way for your clients to pay you, so set up a secure, user-friendly payment processing option before you begin. Step number 7. Develop your marketing strategy. You already have a product or service. You've got your logistical, legal, and branding in order. It is now time to launch your brand into the world and begin marketing your online business. You may communicate with your clients and market your online business in a variety of ways. The most common way to market your online business is advertising. Advertising can be an excellent way to reach out to your ideal clients, generate buzz and interest, and spread the word about your online business. There are different methods for advertising online. For example, you can utilize Google AdWords to advertise your products when your clients conduct a relevant Google search. You may use Facebook ads to target the followers of your competitors and show them why they should do business with you. You can purchase display advertisements on high-traffic websites where you know your target demographic spends time online. Now, get out there and start your online business. There are several factors that contribute to the success of an online business. But now that you know how to create an online business from scratch, all you have